Go figure and know when I fight for your love. You gotta walk and come out of your tongue. Pound my words and
video, bro. Like, comment, subscribe, post notifications. We got SJ Backendz and Esavv. Open up. Y'all told me react to this. Let's see what these artists gotta say. Let's get into it. But before we get into it, make sure I like, comment, subscribe, post notifications. When it's 2,000 subscribers, let's go get him out. Leia. Keep first, but also my sins. Christ is king. Amen. Let's go.
Oh my God, that's pretty beautiful.
I'm trying to leave one head. I got the drop on the off from the metro. Both full back, gotta do it like this. Two heads in the G, gotta be a little stiff. Balls right there, we ain't stop with his head. It's real, the bows like hell for the shit. Can't fall for this line, not using my dick. Brand new jig, selling the clip. I got the G like a blow, like a rocket. Push on me, nigga, I'ma just block it. Little hot bitch, she tryna pop it. Get out the way for I hop on and flock it. I got the G in my pocket. T4 back, I told him I got it. Know where to go when the beam on the socket. Try like tough, you gotta stop it. We out to the bees. I'm trying to show my green. People don't feel never care about the V. I thought I don't get y'all roll me sleep. I say to the beat, she wanna dance but it's dirty on me. Be out to the back till I'm mop on the meat. Bad little bitch, she more like I still wanna fuck if you 6'4". Better stand up here to the floor. You can throw it back on the break of the wall. If you got it, nigga, we press record. Word of my dad, nigga, I'm trying to bull. Niggas gave me the head, my foot like door. You got the guys half of the bull. I'm still trying to fuck you, understand the law. Bow, bow, broke out the 30 heel for 30. He trying to glitch. Why would you play with the rep? Nigga thought he was smart, trying to think with his day. Got hit by a boulder. 2 times I'm shaking my shoulder. I don't want to positive, nigga, it's over. Nigga tight down, fucking his bitch. Low shh, line by the wrist, nigga thought it was smart. Had my demons creeping through the park, through the bag, and said I was on some little dirt shit, nigga. I'm doing a lot, I ain't worth it. I said, women not going for nothing. Cause my youngest is playing with Brian. Shout out to Jay, he'll do it for nothing. Word of my dad, these niggas is bugging.
Just like that.
Are you Matt Baller? Yes or no? Are you Matt Baller?
Trying to get low, I came with the Mac, and now I'm gonna swag and deal with you. You now with a boss, you can't get a pass. And if he's trying to break up the glass, he wearing the maze, he thinking he's swag. Fuck it, bulls gonna rip to his side. They got if he dribble, gotta come back. Like, he's trying to make it some pop. I got the gene, it's stuck in the Lulu. Best for you when I open to shoot you. In the back, I was trying to go cuckoo. Go down back, you need him at 6'2". No G, I'm still for the grip you. Be wanna tell like you hit you. Wanna put gold out, doing no jitsu. Wanna play tough, I'm coming to fix you. And if you start waiting for the pistol, what am I there trying to tell him to miss you? I'm in your bone, I gotta get with you. Trouble, I'm broke, you gotta miss you. I was in the Southwest kiss you. Know where to go, so I'm coming to get you. Be with the back, know where I'ma miss you. Ain't gonna knock some over the issue. We try to make us a 3. All the way gotta walk in the D's. When you niggas y'all, I want me to keep it to E to his mind. Give me all I need. Niggas just give me the breeze. Nigga don't tell me TP. Word of my God, the truth, but don't feel. Don't care what you do, I just need me a beat. Step in the shoes, trying to go for the bucket. Got shot all the low, nigga tuck it. On the court, nigga, we trying to dunk it. If you don't want to bet, you a nugget. Touch to the mother's ass.
I'm gonna give it a bucket or bean, ski. SJ Backendz and Esavv, man. Give the song an 8 out of 10 for me. We'll craft this song by you artists, man. If you have some more SJ Backendz or Esavv, no comments. Like, comment, subscribe, post notifications. We're gonna make to 2,000 subscribers. Let's go get it, man. Later. Keep going first. Back out from sins. See you next one, man. Christ is king. Amen.